Hello everyone, welcome to Gyan Mimamsa. In today's video, we will be discussing today's paper. As you know, today was the prelims paper of UPSC Civil Service Examination, and in this video, we will be discussing question number 1 to 12. This is part 1 of the video, and we will be completing the whole paper in 9 parts. And I have taken code B code paper for the answer key today. In this video, we will discuss a little about the paper and mostly about the answer key. And after all the 9 videos out, we will be discussing the level of the paper, if it was very tough, moderate, or easy, and what would be the expected cutoff. So stay tuned and try to watch the videos. Let's start. So mostly today in this video, we will be discussing the questions regarding history. So the question number 1 was, with reference to the history of ancient India, Bhavbhuti, Hastimalla and Kshemeshwara were famous for. So Bhavbhuti, you should have known the Malti Madhav, very famous, very famous play written by Bhavbhuti. So by this, it was deductible that if they both, all of the three were playwrights. So playwrights means the people who writes the play. Coming to the second question, the question is consider the following statements. Statement number 1, the Montagu-Chelmsford reforms of 1919 recommended granting voting rights to all the women above the age of 21. So the statement 1 is incorrect. It recommended granting some voting rights, increase the franchisee on the basis of property, tax paid and education. The gender was not the criteria there. So this statement is incorrect. Even in 1935 Act also, this was not the criteria. Second, the Government of India Act of 1935 gave women reserved seats in the legislature. Yes, this statement is correct. There was separate electorate for depressed class, women and the laborers. So statement 2 is correct. So the answer would be B, 2 on. Question number 3 was fairly easy. With reference to 8th August 1942 in Indian history, which one of the following statements is correct? So everybody must know this, that the Quit India Resolution was adopted on 8th August 1942. So this was the correct answer. Okay. I hope all of you must have marked this correctly. So we do not even need to go through the other options. Okay. Coming to question number 4. Who among the following is associated with the Songs from Prison, a translation of ancient Indian religious lyrics in English? So, Songs from Prison, this is a book currently written by Mahatma Gandhi when he was in Yerawada jail in 1934. So he translated ancient Indian religious lyrics into English while he was in jail, and the book was published in 1934. Okay, so this the answer is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, that is Mahatma Gandhi. Next, with reference to medieval India. Okay, so the time is given medieval India, that is the Sultanate period basically, and the Mughal period. What is the you need to arrange in the sequence of ascending order in terms of size, that is from the smallest till the largest. Okay, so you should know the Pargana was the smallest administrative unit in both medieval times, in Sultanate period, also in the Mughals also. Few Parganas were made into a Sarkar and few Sarkar were made into a Suba. So Suba was the largest in terms of size. So Suba largest and Sarkar, and smallest was Pargana, and you have to write it in the ascending order. So answer is A, Pargana, Sarkar and Suba. Coming to question number 6, this was again fairly easy question. Who among the following was associated as secretary with Hindu Female School, which later came to be known as Bethune Female School? So Bethune Female School and then later Bethune College. So Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar was the secretary of Bethune Female School, that was earlier known as Hindu Female School. Okay, so it was again fairly easy. It is given in all the textbooks, whichever textbook you will be referring for modern history. Then coming to this, this is again very easy question. Shah Nawaz Khan, Prem Kumar Sehgal and Gurbakh Singh Dillo. You must have read about it multiple times. One Sikh, one Hindu and one Muslim. It has been referred at that also, as that also. So these three were associated with officers of INA and the INA trials, famous INA trials. So these three faced the INA trials. So the answer is D, the officers of Indian National Army. Coming to question number 8, with reference to Indian history, which of the following statements is correct? So question point 1, the Nizamat of Arcot emerged out of Hyderabad state, correct. The Mysore kingdom emerged out of Vijayanagar empire, correct. Rohilkhand kingdom was formed out of territories occupied by Ahmed Shah Durrani. Ahmed Shah Durrani came around 1756, 57, somewhere around that, in the Battle of Panipat. Okay. But Rohilkhand kingdom was formed during Mughals. Okay, so this statement is incorrect. The answer would be 1 and 2. Next, which of the following statement is correct? So it was again a fairly easy question if you have read in the art and culture part. So Ajanta caves lies in the gorge of Baghora river, and this one is the correct statement. Next, UPSC played a little trick in this question. 21st February is declared to be International Mother Language Day by UNESCO. So 21st February is the correct date. So few of the students marked this point as correct, but this is incorrect because it is not declared by UNICEF, it is declared by UNESCO. Because if you have a bit knowledge, then UNESCO is for cultural heritage kind of things. So and mother language is again related to the culture. Okay, the demand that Bangla has to be one of the national languages was raised in Constituent Assembly of Pakistan. Fairly correct. Okay, because of East Bengal, right? So point B is answer is B. Then, with reference to Chaunsat Yogini temple situated near Morena is in Gwalior, MP, consider the following statement. It is a circular temple built during the reign of Kachapagata dynasty. So Kachapagata dynasty, this is a correct statement. Then it is the only circular temple built in India. No, there are, even for this Chaunsat Yogini temple, for the Yogini cult, there are 4 temples, 2 in MP, 2 in Odisha, and all of them are basically circular in nature. So one is in Jabalpur, MP itself, so 2 in Madhya Pradesh, 2 in Odisha, and there may be other circular temples also. So it is not the only temple. So statement 2 is incorrect. It was meant to promote the Vaishnava cult in region. No, it was meant to promote Yogini cult. So statement 3 is incorrect. Its design has given rise to a popular belief that it was the inspiration behind the Indian Parliament building. Correct. It is circular shape, and it is in the shape of, if you look at the pictures, it is in the shape of Parliament. So statement 1 and 4 are correct. In the question like this, if you are not sure, then you must be sure about that it is not the only circular temple, and it is not for the Vaishnava cult, as the name suggests, Yogini. Okay, so Yogini cult, and if you can eliminate 2, then if you look at the options, so only one option is there where 2 and 3 is not there, that is the C. So you can use it as a deductive approach to get into the answer if you don't know the answer. Next is, which one of the following, again a very direct question, which one of the following ancient towns is well known for its elaborate system of water harvesting and management by building a series of dams and channelizing water into connected reservoirs? The answer is Dhalavira. The direct question, not Kalimangal, nor Akveri, and not Ropal. So this was all about first 12 questions. Okay, and I'll be uploading the other videos very soon. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.